once again, massive shout out to Now It's Okay for sending this. Dude, I can't thank you enough. With that being said, this is part 4. Alright, so rat's nest, obviously. I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning up on it. You know, I know there's already gonna be some people from part 3 saying, Danny, you need to do cable management, blah blah blah. I get it, okay, I understand. I'll get it done. But for now, I just want to get this thing built because we are going to install Windows. So this video might be a little long. That's okay. I'm sure you don't mind. So currently opening up part 4. Currently opening up the 970. Something just fell in there. It's fine. Currently opening up the 970 Evo, 500 gigs. Thank you again to Now It's Okay. Seriously, dude. I appreciate it, as I'm sure I've probably thanked you like a million times, but I mean it. So, opening it up. And if you don't know what M.2 is, it's solid state. So, this is 500 gigs on this little tiny board here. I've already done a video on one of these before. It was the 860 Evo, which is so slow compared to the 970. So, gonna put it in. Okay. So, it goes in that slot right there. So, here's how this works. We do that. Okay, now just gotta put a screw there. So, which I have. I believe, I don't know if it came with a screw or if I have to get a screw. Let me see here. Good job, Danny. Way to knock over the kit. Jeez. Okay, hold on. Okay, it looks installed. However, it's got like a slant to it, so I don't know. I mean, it fit in there, so no problem. But it's got just a, maybe it's how it's supposed to be. I know it's flush on my PC, my gaming PC builds. I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and boot it up, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so we're going to install Windows. I've got everything hooked up. That rat's nest of a cables management, which, yes, I'm going to clean up. I know, in the last video I said I didn't really care. The LCD has told me otherwise. If this will focus right, I don't know if it will. Anyway, there's no CD drive installed, but I've got the external hooked up, so that should be no problem. Let me flip that over so you don't see my Windows 10 key, because I paid good money for that, you know. So yeah, gonna work on the cable management after I get everything installed. So yeah, I will keep you posted. By the way, it posted, obviously, so everything seems to be working fine. Really quiet, very, very quiet machine. This is louder. That's louder than the actual machine. So yeah. All right, so we're at the Windows screen. English, time and currency English, keyboard input English. So we hit next, install now. Setup is starting. I'm excited for this. I'm so excited. So it's nice to be able to finally use this case. It's been sitting in my basement for about 3 years. So yeah. Alright. Things are happening. Okay, activate Windows. We don't have a product key, so we won't do that right now. Windows. Oh wow, I have the option to install Windows 10 Pro. Oh, I have Windows 10 Home Disk, so next. I accept. I'm gonna buy a key later. Let's see. Custom install Windows only. Yeah, allocated. So it detects the 500 gig SSD. Sweet. So yeah, it sits at a an angle, but hey, as long as it detects it, it means it's installed correctly, so that's good. That's all that matters. So we're just gonna hit next. Alright, and it's gonna install Windows. I'm not gonna film this whole thing. I'll just keep you updated, so yeah. So, lovely Windows, I already had to reformat the stupid installation twice because it corrupted or something during installation. It said Windows gonna be installed something and restart the installation. I forget the exact error, but it was stupid, something I've never seen before, but I'm not surprised because it is Windows 10. While I love Windows 10, I also hate it because it errors out on the stupidest things. I mean, this is a brand new build. For it to already have a installation error makes no sense. Anyway, it's working now. So let's hope it just keeps working. Yay, Windows. I don't understand why it's so hard to install Windows 10 on a brand new build. It's definitely not my PC. It is 100% Microsoft Windows. I mean, there's no other reason. None. This PC, while it looks like a rat's nest in there, is hooked up right. Everything's hooked up right. Everything passed the tests. Plus, this is not my first PC build. This is like my 9th. So, from the ground up anyway. But, yeah. Good job, Windows. Huzzah. Congrats. Way to go. I mean, this is ridiculous. So, I'm going to reboot it. Also, this is not the first time I've seen this happen to people. Well, this is the first time for me. But Jay's 2 Cents was building a brand new build the other day, and he got the blue screen as well. So, crappy software. It is what it is. This will be my 3rd time reinstalling the stupid installation. I seriously can't stand Windows 10. Seriously, cannot stand. This is a brand new build. This makes no motherfucking sense. Just so you know. Alright, I'm restarting it. So if you're ever stuck in a, this error loop, it'll just keep looping over and over and over. You have to open up, what's this called? It's called Terminal on Mac. What's it called? Command Prompt on Windows, that's what it is. Type in all this shit, and hitting enter, it should work, so we'll see. Format is not allowed on the current boot system. Page, file, crash, dump, or hibernation volume. Fucking great. So I gotta look up this shit now. I'm so fucking fed up, and I'm just getting started here. Alright, so I changed the boot order in the BIOS from the M.2 to the DVD reader. So gonna restart the process all over again and hopefully get Windows installed. I don't know why this is being such a pain. I've never had such a pain installing Windows ever in my life. Like, what gives? I've been doing this for 20 years. What gives? I don't get it. It's horribly written. I mean, when Windows 10 works, it's great, but man, it sure likes to shit the bed quite often. It's fucking annoying. Sorry for the language, but fuck. Okay, I reformatted it yet again. Hopefully, we can get past this. It shouldn't be this hard or difficult to install Windows 10. So hopefully, we don't have any more issues. If we do, I'm going to scream. But hopefully, there's no more issues. I'll keep you posted, obviously. Okay, let's hope this works, because last time I got a blue screen. Just install, just work, please. Alright. What's the difference? I don't know what the difference was. It just said Windows 10 twice in the corner. I clicked the one that was highlighted, so hopefully that's the right one. And last time it was getting ready, it froze and then blue screen came up. So hopefully, it just makes, I shouldn't have anxiety. I should not have anxiety installing Windows, but I do. I don't know why. It is what it is. Come on, come on, come on. Just work. Just work, please. There we go. I think we're going to be okay. Alright. I'm a little bit more confident now. Yes, we are in the United States. Yeah, US keyboard, yep. Skip. Skip for now because I don't have a network connected yet. Danny's going to use this PC. So, but the name. Well, this is for the profile. Yeah, it's just Danny. Minick. Obviously. Skip that for now. Make Cortana your personal assistant? Nope. No. This is stupid. This should not be built into Windows. Ads? So stupid to have ads in an OS. No. You know what? I don't want none of this on. I'm not using none of that. Oh, I think it's okay now. Stupid ass process though, I swear. Alright, I'm gonna do these updates, and if anything happens, I will put it on camera. So. I do not understand. Critical process died? What does this mean? I don't get it. Oh, I'm so fucking pissed off right now. You have no idea. Time to look this shit up. Stupid motherfucking Windows. Okay, so the thing restarted itself and we're on the desktop. I don't trust it. I won't trust it till I get updates installed. So I'm gonna do that now. Alright, so it was like an hour and a half later. It kept blue screening like 5-6 more times and then just stopped out of nowhere. And now it seems to be working. I'm currently installing the motherboard drivers, and you know what I think is funny is, I don't know if ASUS gets paid, they probably do, by Google, but I'll install Chrome when I'm ready, alright, so I uncheck that. I also, okay, disappeared. What are you doing? You about to drip crash again? No, okay. I don't know, it's a little iffy. Norton Security, before it goes away again. Come on, there we go. Norton Security, yeah, I unchecked that, dude, because no. What was this, 1996? No. Norton is garbage. It's trash. I'm gonna install my own stuff, okay? It's way better than Norton. So, yeah, those two things can just miss me with that bullshit, you know what I'm saying? I always like that a little bit. Anyway, I love that song. So, yeah, so far, so good. But I am so skeptical, as you very well know. But once all of this stuff is installed, and I'm gonna be up for a while, like, it's, okay, that clock's wrong. It is currently 1:13 a.m. I'm probably gonna be up till 4 or 5 with this shit, so, yeah, it's all part of the process. This would have been, like, halfway done had it not blue screen, and I googled things for hours, and bullshit. Anyway. Also, this writer quit working on me. It wouldn't read the fucking disc, so I got this $8 Chinese knockoff actually working. So, believe it or not, go China. Anyway, yeah. Also, I don't know if I already did this or not, but I like to point out my ghetto cable management. It's better than it was. I know it's not perfect. It's not going to be. You're not going to see this. Neither am I. So, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, it's zip tied up. And yes, the zip ties came with the motherboard, believe it or not, so they already know that people do this. So, yeah, that's as good as it's going to look for now. Also, I would like to point out that this particular DVD drive, the one that actually worked, unlike the LG, it's the second one on the list here. It's called the, what's that say? Matsushita? It's the Matsushita UJDA770. And it works compared to the LG name brand one that wouldn't run a fucking DVD. The Matsushita will. So, if I remember, I will link the Matsushita down below. I know it got off Amazon for like $8. So, yeah. Also currently installing the April update for Windows 10. So, yeah. And we're back to this again. This time the error is kernel data in page error. What failed? USB X HCI.sys. I don't know what that means. I'm just tired of seeing this fucking screen. This is the most rough... How do you even say this? This is the roughest installation of Windows I've ever done. And that includes Vista, because Vista was its own monster. But this is ridiculous. Oh my goodness. And this is after I've been doing updates too, so it's just like fucking... I don't know, dude. Like, I want to be mad, but I'm also tired, so it's like fucking whatever. The whole thing just catch on fire, I guess. I don't know. Fuck. Alright, I'm gonna look up this error. Okay, so after Googling, that error could be two things. Or more, possibly. It could be a faulty motherboard, which I highly doubt, because it's brand new. It could also be faulty RAM, which I highly doubt, because it's brand new. However, I'm doing a RAM test right now. And if it's not any of those, it could also be the hard drive, which is M.2 in this case, and it's brand new, which I doubt. The last thing it could be software, which is most likely the culprit. But if it's not, I'm going to cry. No, I'm not going to cry. But if it's not, I'm going to be really pissed. And I'll have to make another trip to Micro Center and exchange whatever's fucking broken. And, yeah. But, so I'm going to let this test do its thing. It says, no problems have been detected yet. But yes, we know so far that this is the mystery build. Will it work? Will it not work? Will it blow up? Will it catch on fire? Will it hold me hostage? Will it kill me in my sleep? Who knows? Tune in at 11 to find out. Actually, I don't... Not really. Don't do that. There's not going to be anything there at 11. Just... Anyway, bad joke. I'm exhausted from this and being awake and... Yeah, anyway. Stop bitching for the moment. At least for this clip. Well, I'm going to let this thing do its test. Totally off topic, but these little... Fucking little... 8-legged ass demons are why I bought so many spider traps this week. I've got 8 spider traps because I'm tired. I am tired of almost stepping on these things. They're not exactly small. Yes, I'm zoomed in, but they're not exactly small. They're fucking huge. All right, especially when they're all got their legs spread out. This one's dead. I don't know how it died. I didn't kill it, but it's laying there dead. It wasn't there this morning. It's there right now. Don't know what the fuck happened. Don't know why it's here. Don't know why it's fucking taunting me with its death. It's a dead carcass, I know, but I fucking hate spiders. Hate them. Hate. So yeah, I got traps. Unrelated. Okay, it hasn't shown me the results of the memory test, but it probably passed. I didn't see anything wrong while I was scanning. Now it's doing the check disk. It rebooted itself like it's supposed to. And now we are working on the check disk test. I assume it should also pass. Alright, so the SSD's fine, memory's fine, motherboard appears to be fine. It's software related. So we're just going to try it again. And if it blue screens, we're going to keep going. We're going to keep blue screening until it works. I don't care how long it takes. Windows, fuck off. Fuck you. Whatever. I don't care. Microsoft, eat a dick. I don't care. Let's just do this. Yep. Again. We're going to keep going. I'm going to go ahead and just do a hard reset. By the way, put the case door on because I don't give a fuck anymore. So turn this shit off. Alright. I don't know what those lights mean, but they come on every time. It's probably like some sort of test light. Yeah, make sure the motherboard, fucking turns on. Yeah. There's my cable management, as you can kind of see, but whatever, I don't care. Let's do it. This window's not even big enough on the door. What the fuck ever. Don't look in there if you don't like it, I guess. Anyway. Back on the fucking desktop. Yep. Update now. Yep, I know it's fine. Whatever. It's gonna jam through this pretty quickly because it's already downloaded. And it's probably gonna blue screen again. But hey, whatever. So it blue screened again, and now it says it did not start correctly. So we're gonna hit restart because I don't, whatever. Horrible process, guys. I really do apologize for this, but as you can see, this is not my fault. The thing's built correctly. There's nothing wrong with my PC except the Windows 10 that is on it. It just goes to show you how crappy Windows 10 really is. It's horrible. It's great when it works, but when it doesn't, man, it really, really is a train wreck. Alright, try to process again. Completely frozen. Lovely. Hard reset. Yeah, or that. It'll hard reset for me, I guess. Piece of shit. Alright. Alright, it says, it realizes that it is failed for the second time. So it says, do you want to reinstall Windows? I said, fuck it, yeah. So that's what we're going to do. Reinstall Windows for the 4th time tonight. So, just remove my files. We're not going to fully clean because I'm keeping the PC, obviously, because I built it. But, anyway. This is going to take a while. So, yep, I'll let you know if the fun gets more fun. What does this mean? Fresh install, guys. The 4th fresh install. What's that error? Critical process died. Yeah, I've seen that before. It's fucking ridiculous, dude. For real, I don't know what to do. Should I just, like, not install Windows 10? Put Windows 7 on here? Make it old as hell? I really don't want to. Actually, you can't with 8th gen. 8th gen processors don't allow Windows 7. It's Windows 10 or nothing. Well, it's looking like nothing for now. I'm so tired of this. Sorry for the belching. Okay, so it did a restart, and then froze, and then restarted, and blue screened. It can't even reinstall Windows right. I give up. I'm going to bed. Like, fuck this. Fuck this PC. Fuck everything about this whole fucking thing. I'm fucking fed up. Okay, so I'm trying something completely new, and as you can maybe see, I don't know, it looks different on my LCD on the camera. The screen is purple. I went to the Microsoft website and downloaded the latest ISO for Windows 10. It's on the Samsung thumb drive. I'm gonna see if, well, I guess not. I'm getting the same fucking error code I got yesterday when I tried installing with the disk. I don't get this. Well, I just don't understand. Try it yet again. Oh, don't have product key because I'm still waiting on the guy to send me the product key that I bought via email, for crying out loud. I don't know why it's so hard. All these partitions. Okay. Let's see if this works. I don't understand. Alright, I'm gonna go. I'll be back. I'm gonna go try. I don't know. I'll just be back. Okay, I'm in the BIOS for the Asus motherboard, and it has the option to completely format, erase the SSD, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think at this point there's so many errors from these installations going wrong. I just need to wipe the whole thing and just start over. So we're gonna do that. Gonna hit OK. Yep. All right. I'll see if this works. Okay, so Windows 10 disk, the one I started off with at the very beginning of this video, is in there. It's in that. Sorry, my voice is acting up. It's in that Chinese knockoff burner, which seems to work a lot better than the LG one. And we've never had such a smooth install as I'm having right now. There's been no errors, no BSODs. I don't want to jinx myself, but I think it might be working now. I'll keep you posted. I spoke too soon. It disappeared. I don't know why. It's gonna be SOD. Watch. I'm calling it. I'm calling it. We were almost out of the woods, guys. Told you. Told you. Absolutely ridiculous. I'm starting to think it might be... I think I may need to update the BIOS on the motherboard at this point. I mean, what I'm running out of options here. This is the worst Windows installation I've ever done in my 20 years of repairing computers. Yes, I was 10 when I started. Anyway, and obviously I wasn't very good back then, but you know, I've grown over the last 20 years. But I cannot. Words escape me as to this whole process. And you know, I hate to say it, but if this had been Mac OS, I wouldn't have ran into any of these problems. It would have just worked. You know, I hate to be that guy. I really do. But Mac OS compared to Windows OS these days is a breeze. This, I have to look up all these little fucking error codes. I have to figure out why the fuck it's not working. And all this other bullshit I shouldn't have to deal with. And so this goes to show you, while you know, Windows 10 is great when it works, but when it's not, man, Microsoft, you have really dropped the ball. You really don't give a fuck. Y'all just want to push ads and sell more Minecraft sales and stuff like that within Windows, which you have to delete after. You have to delete those stupid games out of every copy of Windows. Every copy of Windows comes with a little Minecraft game installed, which is not the actual real full game, or Candy Crush. It's like they don't care. They just want to push these little game sales. And we all have to be subjected to this shit because it comes pre-built into Windows and it doesn't make any sense. So we were almost out of the woods. And it's the same error I've gotten before. Critical process died. Whatever, I don't give a fuck. So I'm gonna restart it and restart it and restart it until I see the desktop. So yeah. Yeah, we're finally seeing the screen, but I don't trust it at all. This thing's still going to be SOD until I can update the BIOS and whatever else I need to do. And even then, it still might, because fuck my life, right? Anyway. And then I got these, you know, little fuckers. This one's alive, just decided to go ahead and walk up on me. I'm pretty sure this is the one I tried to kill the other day, and he ran away, and he got away. So, I gotta find something to kill him with, because I am not dealing with his shit at all. Fuck this. You little fucking piece of shit spider. Fucking hate spiders. Oh, it's like that, little bitch. Got him. Hate these things. I'm gonna lay down some more traps. 8 is not enough. We're gonna need like 20 in this fucking basement. Yes, we're upstairs. I've got it hooked via Ethernet, going from the. It was coming from the gaming PC. Now I've got it stressed across over here. So I updated the BIOS. BIOS is the latest version. I don't have the latest version of Windows 10 because it keeps blue screening still, which is nothing new. But one thing that I did do some updates on Windows 10, just not all of them. But, you know, typical Windows 10 went ahead and uninstalled the network adapter driver. So Ethernet at the moment isn't working, and that's why I'm having to reinstall the software for the third time, yet again. So, yeah. Progress, kind of, but also not. It's really windy outside. I think it's going to storm, which is just one more thing I need. Anyway. A minute ago, it just blue screen just while sitting there like this, doing nothing. Just blue screen. Something about in-page kernel. I don't even care. So, I think I'm just going to go ahead and end the video here. This video is way too long of nothing but, you know, Windows not working or performing well. I'm just going to update it off camera, and I guess you'll see an update to whatever happened in part 5. So, I'm exhausted. I'm tired of messing with this. It's been nearly 24 hours. I'm done. I am done with Windows. So, not really, but, you know, I'm done with dealing with this. So, I think I'm just going to shut it down and go watch a movie and chill and come back to it tomorrow or something. So, thanks for watching. Shout out to Now It's Okay. Thank you so much for the SSD, dude. Perfect. That was no issue at all, but Windows installing very much is. So, I will link him below. Guys, check out his Twitch. He's a really cool dude. Now It's Okay. Twitch.tv/nowitsokay. And with that said, thanks for watching.